So does using the GitHub repository which I am providing make your accounts banned, or maybe you won't be able to get those facts? This question many of you are having in your mind. So first of all, the answer is no. Suppose if you are starting this lab, now there is no console. How we can do the lab manually? One more important thing, whatever solutions you are seeing and the people who are seeing, they are themselves using the same code. Okay. You can clearly see when I posted the solution for this lab and the other lab was also live. And second most important thing, they are not using the GitHub. Either they are using the GitHub or they are just copying it here from here and just opening any notepad or any online notepad, and from here they are modifying the files. Okay, they are modifying the files and just copy pasting over here. If you just examine the videos there, if you just examine the videos, whatever solutions are there on the entire YouTube, you can clearly see that people are just copy pasting the same thing word by word. Only they just try to name the scripts. For example, for my scripts, the name, like if my script name is this, first of all, that is not script. This is whatever I have created, all the commands I have just marked as a bundle. This is not script, not automation. Okay, because everyone is using the same thing. They are just changing it to their name. For example, like this, they just update the name. Whatever code you see are same, so do not worry about it. And they are just doing like this. Like instead of sharing the GitHub repository, they are just pasting this code. First of all, they are copying from my repository, and then they are just pasting on any online notepad or notepad, and then from there they are modifying the files. Okay, so you can see the knowledge of these peoples, they don't know nothing about cloud, and then they are saying that you are using script. The same code, just analyze yourself, don't trust me, just analyze yourself. Whatever code you are seeing, it's same to theirs also, and they are using the same method also. Okay, they are using the same method also, and they are just changing the mode. For example, some will upload the file in Google Drive, some will just use the normal notepad. Like this they are doing. So if you are following the channel tutorial, no need to worry, because if you already see, most of the participants have already got the prize email inside their email. Okay, you can just check it out. The videos also I posted, and all are genuine comments. Okay, now if you're participating in Arcade Cohort 1 2026, you can watch these videos and complete the challenges. All your queries, how to register, what is the doubts, all things are covered over here. Okay, so make sure to check it out. And if you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.